Start. The license is to be from such authority and subject to such conditions as may be prescribed by the state government. Full stop. In terms of the first proviso to section 91, the state government, while issuing a license to an aggregator, may follow the guidelines issued by the central government. Full stop. Section 96 confers a rule-making power on the state government for implementing the provisions of Chapter 5th, para. Following the amendment of the provisions of the Act in 2019, the Union Government in the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways formulated the Motor Vehicle Aggregator Guidelines 2020. Full stop. The guidelines commence with a prefatory statement that they have been issued as guiding framework for the state government for issuance of licenses to transport aggregators and for the purposes of regulating the business conducted by such aggregators. Para. The guidelines have been issued in terms of the amended provisions of the statute, including Section 93, which stipulates that while issuing a license to an aggregator, the state government may follow such guidelines as may be issued by the central government. Full stop. The guidelines of 2020 contain diverse provisions, among them para. In furtherance of the state and central government's objective of reduction in traffic congestion and automobile pollution and effective asset utilizations, non-transport vehicle pooling may be provided by aggregator unless prohibited by the state government. Full stop. Rationale for such prohibition shall be specified in writing and accessible on the transport portal of the state government. Para. In addition to the compliances mentioned above in these guidelines, as may be applicable, the following shall be complied with by the aggregator seeking to aggregate non-transport vehicles. Full stop. A maximum of 4 ride-sharing intra-city trips on a calendar day and a maximum of 2 ride-sharing intercity trips per week shall be permitted for each vehicle, with the driver integrated with the aggregator. Full stop. The vehicle integrated under this clause 15 shall obtain an insurance of at least rupees 5 lakhs for the ride sharers in the vehicle other than the owner or driver integrated with the aggregator. Para. Government of Maharashtra has not formulated any rules in relation to aggregators for the purpose of enforcing the provisions of Chapter 5th, more particularly Section 93. Full stop. The first proviso to Section 93 stipulates that while issuing a license to an aggregator, the state government may follow such guidelines as may be issued by the central government. Full stop. The guidelines which have been issued by the central government have a persuasive value. Full stop. They are not mandatory when the state government formulates rules in pursuance of its power under Section 96. It may also bear in mind the guidelines which have been framed by the Union Government in 2020 both in terms of the first proviso to Section 93 and the plain terms of the guidelines. It is evident that while these guidelines have to be borne in mind, the ultimate decision is to be arrived at by the state government while considering whether to grant a license and in regard to the formulation of rules in pursuance of the general rule making power under Section 96. Stop.